make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be installing this easy, quick wig, you guys. So this company I haven't worked with before. This is the first time, but I have seen them like on Instagram and YouTube before. So I'm really excited. Plus it's a Bodywave texture. I feel like I've been missing my Bodywave textures because I just miss having the middle part curled like loosely. Like I just love that look, and that's something I used to do all the time. So I'm glad that I'm getting back to it. So the company's name is Hermosa. Yeah, Hermosa hair. It came in a little satin bag and your standard delivery envelope. So it is a 5x5 closure wig. You guys already know closure wigs are super convenient, super beginner friendly, and you know, if you're looking for a wig just to put on and go, closure wigs are going to be like your best friend. Okay, so this is a 5x5, meaning it's 5 inches across, 5 inches back. Normally the standard closure is a 4x4, which is much smaller, but this one gives you more room. Not necessarily like a frontal, because a frontal is ear to ear, but this is the best thing to that. Okay, 26 inches, you guys, and it is 220% density. So right off the bat, let me just tell you guys, when it comes to the density, I do like how the hair looks. I feel like it's okay. I feel like I would like it to be just a little bit thicker, especially towards the bottom of the hair. It's like it gets a little bit thin as you go down, and I like a more consistent thick, the top to the bottom. That's just my preference though. So I know some people like for it to actually get thinner as you're getting to the bottom. So it literally boils down to like what you prefer. The hair feels, it's soft, but it has like some coarseness to it. It feels like almost like how these Brazilian type of textures would feel like from these companies. If you get what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. But you know, you gotta be careful with saying like the origin of the hair, because you know it's not really that. So that's why I said that way. So anyways, the hair, like I said, has some coarseness to it, but it's still very soft. It curls super easily. I use my Conair curling iron that I got from Dollar General, and you get it from the drugstore. It's linked in my Amazon storefront as well, so that's going to be down in the description box, and the company's information and the details that I mentioned already is going to be in the description box as well. So like I mentioned, it was super easy to curl. I did not have to recurl it over and over, and it doesn't feel like the curls are gonna drop you know, throughout the day too much. It may loosen a little bit, but I just have a feeling like it's gonna stay like this. Majority of it's gonna stay like this. So that's a really good sign, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated in the comment section, and I'll let you know if in fact it did not drop, or I'll let you know if it did. So look down there if you want the update. So like I mentioned, this is a closure wig, so the install was very easy, very simple. Now what I did to prep this wig before installing it was definitely plucking the closure part of the wig. You have to pluck it. It was super easy. Once you have practice, the easier it's going to be to pluck. And after that, I went ahead and used my True Match Lace Conceal Spray and my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder, and I used the both of these just to really get it to match, because the lace was not going to do what I wanted it to do. Okay, so I had to help it, and so that's what I use, and I feel like it definitely did its thing. As you can see, one thing that I do wish I did was bleaching the knots. Okay, the knots are, you guys can see, it would have just looked a little bit more natural if it doesn't bother you, which it don't bother me that much, not enough to like not wear the wig. Okay, so that also boils down to your preference on how you like your wigs to look and what, you know, you're anal about. Okay, so with that being said, there's really not much for me to say about this unit. The update, like I said, will be in the comment section, so make sure you check there, because by the time you guys are watching this video, I will have the update ready for you guys. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye. Better run, faster than my bullet. High and kiss with better run.
out.